Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin evening update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we'll go straight over to those Bitcoin charts. Obviously, as you guys are no doubt aware, it is the weekend. So traditional markets are open. So we are on our own. We are trading blind. Bitcoin is its own master. So yeah, as you can see this morning we had that sell down. The price was about down here. I was pretty much saying, I mean, this is the level, this is a back test. Hold this level, then yeah, we'll look good. We'll look good for a potential move up to around the 17k. Really, that is what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at this at a breakout, a back test, and then if we obviously get supported here, move back up, take out this high, so this high that we've just had here, which we can literally call 16,500 pretty much, take that out, and then yeah, we will make our way over to plus 17k. In all likelihood. Nothing is certain in trading, everything's statistics and probabilities, but that would be the most likely scenario in that case. So yeah, it's good to see, though. It was good to see Bitcoin hold this hold this backtest level of the 15.8, and yeah, get supported there, and let's see if we can make progress, hold above 16k again. I mean, it's just incredible saying these numbers. I mean, it wasn't long ago that we were talking about how many days Bitcoin had managed to hold over 10k, and it not really been that many and obviously the life of Bitcoin, but we're actually talking about holding above 16k now. 16k. 10k to 16k is obviously that's obviously $6,000 extra. So Bitcoin is on an absolute tear, guys. It is on a tear, and FOMO hasn't really begun yet. Lots of people haven't really started talking about it. It's not going wild. It's not in newspapers and all that jazz. Well, not in just regular newspapers. But yeah, we are in early days. Obviously, clearing above 20k will be when the action comes in. I mean, you guys know my view, though. I do still think unless the dollar gets down to that 88 level, we will be pinned in this area. I think we've had enough of a nice move up for the time being for people to be distributing into any pumps up, and then some people have been a bit, until obviously they get whipped up into an actual FOMO frenzy. We'll pretty much be reluctant to buy Bitcoin in much size at this level. We'll obviously get the institutions that may other businesses that may want to follow MicroStrategies and Square and other companies and invest in some Bitcoin with their cash reserves, but they're even going to look at this chart and think, well, do I want to buy it now after it's pumped all the way up this much, or shall I wait for a pullback? Yeah, not that they're experienced traders, but they will have advisors that will be telling them, yeah, wait for a pullback. So yeah, but yeah, at the moment we've had our little pullback in the short term to 15.8, and we're at the moment bouncing off it. We're nice. Well, we're nicely above 16k, guy. $3.50 above. I mean, that's nicely above. Lots of room to maneuver there. And I'm just kidding, but yeah, it's all looking good. I mean, to be honest though, sideways action is usually my call for the weekends. So yeah, 15.8 is an important level. Hold this level. This high here is an important trigger level. So in all fairness, I do think until Monday's traded, major markets open, get some direction, I think we'll be pinned between basically 15.8 and not that this is a wide range, 15.8 and 16.5. Obviously, it's a $700 range, but $700 isn't too much for Bitcoin to move at the moment. I mean, this was a move from 15,860 all the way down to, yeah, this is $1,000 move. So you look at that, it's not a ridiculous move, but yeah, I think we'll be pinned between this. Obviously 15.8 is a breakdown level. If this little bounce off this level fails, starts to come back down, takes out 15.8, or even starts to look like it's coming down here, it will be likely we take out 15.8, and then we've got to see if we can get support at 15.5. If not, then there's nothing but air on the way down to around 14k. But yeah, like I said, that is not, for me, is not the most likely scenario. Bitcoin dominance, that is trading this weekend. Yeah, you can see stalling out at the moment down here. Are we just consolidating, and then we're going to move further down? Hopefully that is what we're seeing. So yeah, fingers crossed, because I've got some positions in some altcoins that I would like to see get juiced up a bit. So yeah, that's Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, nothing else really to look at on here. Oh, actually, my apologies. We've got Ethereum. So yeah, Ethereum here. Yeah, I mean, hard to really read what this is doing. Sort of tightening range. It's got to break, well, either above here or below here. So that'll obviously be dictated by the direction the Bitcoin dominance goes. If it goes down, then we'll break up this part. If it goes up, we'll break this level. But it's looking weak. Nowhere near a confirmed uptrend yet to this, like not even close. We want to obviously get well above this level here. Then it will start to look good. Realistically, this is the main level, though. Above here, then we start to look fantastic. But yeah, this would be progress. At the moment, I mean, it's good we're not going down still, but really we're just having a pause in the downtrend at the moment. Ethereum USD, though, is holding up there, looking okay, holding up there. I mean, this doesn't look too bad. This looks like it's going to come and try and take out. It looks like it's going to come and try and reach its target of around, around there, around 15.35. So yeah, that's what we're looking at Ethereum. Sorry, 15.35, 5.35, not 15.35. So let's have a quick whiz through those stochastics. Oh, we have had a very nice bullish reset down here in the 4-hour Stokes. Say bullish reset, we've obviously had a move back, but yeah, this is looking like it's going to get to a level where it could turn back around and come back up again. 10-hour. Very aggressive trend line in the 10-hour. Is that going to hold? If it does, then we're going to see 17k. Even more aggressive trend line in the 12-hour. If that holds, yeah, we're going to see 17k. And daily's holding up there though, so it doesn't often hold up here this long. So are we just going to get one more push up into that 17k before we actually play some more downside? 2-day, I mean, 2 days up there, 3-day. The rest of them are up there, obviously, and then higher time frames are looking good. So yeah, stochastic wise, I would be actually looking at those to start to curl back up, and then yeah, I mean realistically, like I said, I think we are basically heading towards 17k plus, and then gonna probably trade sideways under here, and then potentially some downside, but it will heavily depend on what the dollar does. Obviously the DXY is not trading at the moment, but if this comes down to here, yeah, we'll see that 17k bounce off, and then yeah, I mean if we break this level and start to absolutely capitulate down to here, we will easily be higher than 20k in Bitcoin. So yeah, that is it. Relatively quick video, guys. Not a lot to talk about. It's the weekend. Not too much has happened. We had our price move down this morning, and all we've really done is bounced off the level we're at this morning. We're currently trading $200 higher. So yeah, that is it. Thanks for listening. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I'll speak to you guys in the morning.